Hello everyone. So we are in Mumbai airport.
I'm gonna start my vlog now.
So where are we going, Ahana? Warsaw. We're going to Paris on a trip with the university. No, we're so excited. So right now we're at the food court at the mall and we're gonna eat food. McDonald's, I think. Hannah is saying McDonald's. She's not even seen that there's a McDonald's, but we'll see. This is two. Guys, Bhartiya.
I'm not eating this.
We are waiting for. Oh, wait, what are we doing? We're waiting at the gate. 72. Pagal. Oh, we can.
It just went in. Bro, we are not understanding. It's fine.
Look at the context and then see what I'm saying.
You see this? Yeah. It went in. And then it wasn't coming out. So I got. It's not.
We're on the flight now. Vanshika is new addition to the vlog. She's very happy she's got window seat. We didn't get her. But it's fine. We are like very chill. Chill. We don't care. Simple. Say hi, Gauri. You are? No. We've been trying to sleep for such a long time, but we can't sleep. I can't sleep. I've not slept the full night. Anshika's watching Big Bang Theory and Ahana's very annoyed and sleeping. I won't show you in vlog, don't worry. I called her to eat food. She got so annoyed. She wants to return her food now. It's the meal and it's very mid. The only thing that was good in the meal was the cake. This is the cake and it was like fine. Everything else was like talks types. Vanshika waited like God knows how long. 15 minutes. I'll show him. It's like on apple juice. It's really good. Oh my god, you look so cute. With the blue in the background. Ahana refused and told us take my meal back. And now what she's doing? She's eating it. Why are you eating it, Ahana? Said you wanted to put the meal back. One of the air hostess was a little mean. Someone in front of us, so Ahana is very scared after that incident. So I don't know why she's scared of the flight attendants, but I need to stick up for her. We are landing. We're almost landing. This is the first time all of us coming to Europe, so it's very exciting. We are in Warsaw. Ahana thought we stopped in the air. We were going and she said, guys, we stopped. We stopped. What? No, we're still going. She thought we just stopped mid-air. How is that even possible? At the airport, we just did security check.
Which is very stressful.
And they were very... Now we're in the store. We're buying shampoo for Vanshika. Vanshika couldn't get shampoo, so... Vanshika was very excited. She spotted the Eiffel Tower first, so she's very happy. Thanks for showing us, Vanshika. We're going to get our baggage now. We don't know if we're going to the correct place. And might get shouted at. This is so cool. A bunch of tubes. And got my pink suitcase, guys. I can spot them anywhere.
What's the name of the airport where we got off? What's the name of it? Charles de Gaulle.
Okay, we are in our room and it's the smallest room in the entire world. This is the wash basin right here, but it's very cozy, a bit too cozy. I'll give you a room tour right now. Okay, we have our washing basin here, toilet. And it's a bunk bed. This is our view. Ooh, this is the TV. This is it. I don't know how we're gonna survive here, but we'll get past it. I'm going to sleep now and there's no ventilation in this room. And it's so hot. We anyway have to wake up in 6 hours. So there's a TV here, but there's only French channels. Good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. We're going to Belgium. Good morning. It's day 2 and we are ready. We're going down for breakfast. Right now we are in the bus and we're going to Belgium. The amount of racism that we've already faced is insane. So I'll tell you one incident that happened. What happened in the morning was put waffles in the toaster and the toaster was broken, so the waffle didn't pop up. So it burnt inside and then the fire alarm went off. And then this French guy comes and he's like, what did he say? So basically I had to move to my other phone because her storage went. He was like, please, like literally yelling at us, like, bro, I'm sorry, but like it's not our fault. And even if it was, like, you don't yell at your customers like that. Just now we put our bags on that seat, okay, and this luggage guy, he comes in and he's like, why are you putting your bags there? And he like makes eyes like, we act like everything we do is wrong. I think we're dumb, we're like, we have a 0 IQ. Yeah, but it's not true. And I'll update on all the other racist encounters that we'll have because I'm pretty sure we'll have a lot. What do they think of themselves? Like, we know where we're coming from. Okay, I'm removing that. We are in Rouge in Belgium and it's so cute. It's like a little town. The buildings are so cute. The burger, TikTok. We're at the burger place and we were ordering. It turned out that these 2 people working here are Punjabi and they're talking to us in Hindi. Anshika got her burger. Yay! No? Okay. We got Nutella with waffles and she got chocolate. And right now we are at, what's the name of this place? I forgot again. Ann Square. And it's so pretty. It's cold, but I'm wearing a skirt and there's nothing I can do about it. Everyone's asking me if I'm feeling cold, but I feel like now I'm really immune to the cold. Wow, it's so pretty though. It's so pretty. Why are you laughing at me? You want to say something interesting to the vlog?
Yeah, guys. Nothing is the most interesting thing in the world. Let me tell you.
You guys don't do anything interesting for. My phone's battery died, so that's why I'm vlogging on Ahana's phone. Now I'm not going to be able to get as much content, but she'll give me her phone. Ahana to gives. Ahana to gives. In the future, we're going to look back on this vlog, yaar.
Let's do something funny.
Let's do Now we're roaming around and we have no idea what to do. We have 1 more hour on hand, so we're just roaming the streets. Please smile at my vlog. So much confidence to vlog here. Like, bro, people don't look at you. Hana bought ice cream in this thundy weather. And she's sick also on top of that.
I'm not sick.
She is very well. We have no idea what to do, so we took some more pictures and I look bad in all my pictures, but it's fine. There's so many Belgium waffle places and Belgium chocolate places and it smells so good everywhere. I can only smell chocolate everywhere. Hello everyone. It's a new day and I haven't vlogged anything since last night because I was really tired. Say hi. Today we are still in Belgium. We're at the parliament right now.
You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Say hi to the vlogs.
Hi to the vlog. Say hi. Hi. We just had a session on the European Union, why it formed, how it forms, how it works, and the lady over there was very nice. This is our racism encounter number 3. She was comparing India to the EU, so we don't know why, but it's fine. This place is giving me MUN vibes.
Yeah.
It's reminding me of MUN, and I hated MUN. Now we're are going to the university to study French, but we are halted and we're having Burger King again for the second time. It looks like all we're gonna have is Burger King on this trip. I feel really bad for Vanshika because she has like 3 veg options. Okay, we got our order. I'm gonna do a taste test now. I got a ultimate chicken bacon. Oh my god, it looks really good. I got chicken bacon because they told us to stay away from pork. It's like one of the best Burger King burgers I've ever had. It's so mota. I have my drink with me, but I have to be very on the down low about it. This bus driver is not allowing us to have food or drinks over here. And we have to act like we're committing a crime. We have to smuggle like food and drinks into the vehicle. So where are we right now?
Washroom.
No!
We're at the Liège University for a French class.
How do you like the class going?
Very much. I don't understand the word. I'm just looking at Nishka because she's understanding everything and I hate it.
Oh.
She's cute. The prof is cutie.
She's cute. She's half Japanese also.
yeah.
And she's very nice.
She's very nice.
Anna's still understanding everything.
I'm
no?
understanding everything. Chemicals in my brain, my everything is gone.
We have 1 more hour left, by the way.
Oh no.
Basically, everyone's hating this. We are on our way to the second half of the lecture. But honestly, I really like it. I can understand most of it. But I'm just very sleepy and not in the mood to learn. But this place is really pretty.
She's literally, Nishka is like the best vlogger in town. Guys, she's very kind. So please go and support.
Thank you so much. We're finally done with the class. Now we are going to have dinner. Given us 50 euros per group of 6. Hana had to pay the other group. No, Hana had to get paid to leave that group and come with us. Hana is troubling me a lot. I bought Lay's ketchup flavor. Now we are going to a restaurant that our teacher who taught us just now recommended. We hope the food is good. We've arrived at the restaurant and it's a pizza place and we're only having margarita because we're not hungry at all. But we're forced to have dinner so early. Pizza came. Here, take. Okay, we got the pizza. I'll do a taste test now for you guys. The whole video is about food, basically. Spent 1,000 rupees on this pizza and Domino's is better than this. Finally finished our dinner. Hana, what you did? I got 5 cents and 5 euro. These people that don't know the Rasta only.
What is the name of
This is the whole bridge se we saw this, no?
I don't know what's happening. Ask on the group for the location. Got our ice cream and we're completely lost. And I'm vlogging. We have no idea where to go. So at least we have ice cream. I got latte macchiato flavor. So did Vanshika and Hana got Ferrero Rocher. We love it. In this cold weather, we're having ice cream, but it's fine. Okay, we're making a reading. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know!
I see, Nishka.
It's not that deep. I never showed you the previous room. I'll show you this one. It's literally the exact same as the first one, but the last one before this was a little bit different. This is the 3rd day and the 3rd hotel that we're in. Every day we come to a new hotel. There's not much of a tour to give, but this is the room. That's it. And the shower's there. Also, we are so confused because apparently we're going to Germany tomorrow out of nowhere. I'm really confused because why are we going to Germany? I low-key don't want to go because we're literally touching Germany and coming back. We're literally going to stay there for like, how many hours, Alhana? Like 3 hours max.
3 hours max.
But actually for the first time we're coming back to this hotel. So we don't have to take all our suitcases over there, and we have to pack every single day. Now we look Asian. Oh my god, I didn't tell you guys. So basically, what happened is, I think in the last clip is of us running back to the bus, and we came around 20 minutes late, but then we had to wait for more people. So it seemed like we came even more late than we did. We got a little bit of stern.
Don't come late.
Surprisingly, everyone else came on time, but we got lost and the Google Maps wasn't working, so we didn't know what to do. We were like stressing. In that clip, I'm laughing, but after that, that's the last time we were laughing. And then we asked people on the street also where to go, and they also didn't know. I bought these Dorito bites, and they're honey barbecue flavor. And I finished the whole thing. I mean, there's not much, but I finished it. And I bought these peach ones because I love these. And I've not seen this in India in a really long time. So I bought it. And I ate like 10 already. I need to calm down. But we ate dinner at 6:30. How are we supposed to survive if we have dinner at 6:30? At 10, obviously, I'm going to feel hungry. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow.